Good day, my fellow student. Hi, my name is Christine May Igueron, a grade 12 student of Mapaya National High School. Today, I will share you all my learning experience and my reflection of how I explore the different concepts of ICT or Informational Communication Technology in the subject of Empowerment Technologies. Feel free to explore my video.
What is ICT? ICT or Information and Communication Technology, referring to all technologies, systems, and services used to handle information and aid communication. Using an ICT, we can create an infographic. Disadvantage of using technology. Social media addiction can lead to mental health problems like depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem, as well as physical issues. Responsible digital citizenship refers to the positive, safe, and appropriate use of the Internet and social media. It involves using social media safely and respectfully, following online etiquette, and being knowledgeable about digital rights and responsibilities to ensure effective communication. Number 1. Share knowledge. Being actively participating in the online community. Educate others. Foster environment where everyone can learn and grow. Think before you click. Everything you post is your responsibility. Think, is it true? Is it helpful? Or is it inspiring?